Hi guys, I just changed my camera settings. I wonder if it'll do literally anything. I just like played around with some shit. So if this video ends up looking a little weird, let me know. Let me know in the comments if you guys notice anything good or bad, you know. Today's video is gonna be a vlog and I'm filming right now at 10 p.m. So I'm about to head to bed because I'm going to the gym tomorrow morning. It's been a minute since I've been in the gym. But I'm gonna be back on my gym journey because, well, I was already on one. I just like stopped because of school. School got really stressful. I literally didn't even have time to go to the gym, and I'm already in a yoga class, so it's not like I was like inactive. So I just stopped going to like my gym. But I'm gonna start up again now that I have a little bit more time, and the semester is gonna be ending soon. So it'll also be a nice way to like kind of distress from my upcoming finals. Finals haven't started yet, but they are, you know, kicking in high gear real soon. So tomorrow's gonna be a light day, so we'll really see what I even get to. But I know I'm just gonna be going to the gym. I'm gonna do some cleaning because I really have to, and then we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. Oddly enough, I was supposed to have like a Zoom call with somebody that like I connected with on LinkedIn, but I don't think it's gonna happen. They haven't replied to me, so it's supposed to be at like 1 p.m. tomorrow, but I don't think it's gonna happen. We shall see. Anyway, that's all I really have from you tonight. I will see you guys tomorrow bright and friggin' early. Okay guys, I just got out of the gym. Bitch, I'm beat. I'm beat. I'm beat. I have no coffee creamer and I'm really debating if I should go get some, but then like I also need eggs and I need bacon. I literally like don't have breakfast food in my house right now except for hash browns. I hate when people come out of the gym and then see me film after I had just seen them in the gym. It's embarrassing. I'm like, go away, go away. Anyway, I was too embarrassed to film anything at the gym except for that one little clip that you guys saw of me. There were like way more people than usual, and it's a Friday, so I'm like, why are y'all not at work? But that's none of my business, I guess. Anywho, let's go home. Maybe. Should I go to Target? I don't know. I'm feeling good. I needed to eat. Now I'm gonna take some vitamins. Look how cute my little pill case is. You can't totally tell, but it's like a baby pink. And it has all these little, I was about to say departments, but you know, I mean, it still works. Anyway, I'm gonna take vitamin D. And then I'm also gonna take an ashwagandha pill. And that's it. All right, it's like 11 a.m. still, which is crazy. I feel like I've done so much. Kind of proud of myself. I want nothing more than to relax right now, but I'm thinking since I'm already on the momentum of cleaning, I might as well start cleaning the bathroom. That's gonna be like my biggest tackle right now. And then I'm gonna clean my room up a little bit. I did some cleaning yesterday, so I really don't have a lot. I'm thinking if I can just get it out of the way, then I can chill for the rest of the day and like do whatever else needs to get done. So I'm gonna do that instead. Hi guys, I'm so tired. Doing my last load of laundry, and I'm probably just going to like watch TV and fall asleep for the rest of the night. So nothing crazy, nothing interesting, which is totally fine. I've got a lot of things done that I needed to get done anyways, so today was a good day. I basically got a lot of stuff out of the way. Oh my god, my camera's about to die. Okay, I'm gonna continue another video separately tomorrow, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I love you guys. See you in the next video, which will be tomorrow in my case.